Hello, in this video I'm gonna talk about can Samsung Galaxy A05 handle Diablo Immortal? Let's check it out. I have already installed Diablo Immortal from Play Store, so I will simply open it.
What fate has befallen Orphan? Four lives consumed by darkness. Get away from those villagers! The path grows clearer.
An outsider. Draw.
I have played Diablo Immortal for more than 2 minutes, so yes, Samsung Galaxy A05 can handle these games. When it comes to the game performance, it ran smoothly with only slight lag on the default graphics. I hope you enjoyed the game inside. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.